So in the past, we've done some videos on the G Code software, right? The software that takes a key code, turns it into the key bidding, and allows you to get the job done. Or it allows you to fill in the gaps, right? You decode a lock, you have half of the bidding, you can plug it into the software and get the remaining key biddings to get the key done. Now, the best part is G Code has an awesome program going on that I can't wait to share with you. You know, one of the hardest parts about G Code software is it's fairly expensive, right? It's an investment into your business that's going to allow you to get the job done. If you make any keys by code at all, right, you need a program to take the key code and turn it into key bidding. Or if you're decoding a lock and you only have half of the cuts and you need to get the other cuts, you need a software program that can filter out those codes available and get you the remaining key bidding options to get the job done, right? Now, the problem is, right, you invest all this money into one, but you've always been curious about other softwares out there. Is this one better? Do I like this one? Well, the good news, our friends over at Framon Manufacturing, the owners of G Code, have a special offer for you. So if you own a competing code software to G Code, then you can get the $700 G Code desktop software for $250. It is a great deal if you've been wanting G Code, but due to your investment into another program, you just haven't really felt comfortable spending that much money. And I want to make just one point really quick. Now, I'm gonna put links in the notes below. You can watch some other videos I've done about G Code. You can check it out, see if you think it'll be a good fit for your business. Now, the one important thing is that if you need to print HPC code cards, the G Code software can do that no problem. So if you lose a card or you don't have the card, you can print it inside the software with really just a click of a button. All you have to do is go to the link in the notes below on this video. Click on it, it'll take you to the product page where you can buy the G Code software for $250. Once we get that order, we're going to reach out to you to get a screenshot that shows a competitive software that you already own. Once we get that picture, we'll process that order and you're gonna get in the mail a brand new, fresh, full copy of the G Code desktop version. It's really great software and it's really awesome for Framon to be doing this for people in the industry. I would love to know what you think of this offer in the comments below, and make sure that you include the hashtag Lockboss to automatically get entered in to win one of 5 free prizes we give away every Tuesday here on YouTube. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. G Code is one of the best. G Code is one of the best key code to key bidding software on the planet. Do you use... No. G Code has a great offer right now, and I can't... No. G Code, the key code software, no. You know, in the past, G Code, G Code, what? Oh my gosh, man.